It's AD Mervyn here, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to juicing for beginners. We're going to cover some of the basics, such as how to get fruit into your diet, how to improve your health with juicing, and juicing with a blender. There'll be some top tips for juicy healthing, juicing up, juicing benefits, and how to improve your juicing result. Now in a moment I'm going to show you the video, and my juicing expert Anne will tell you all about juicing for beginners and why you should start straight away and enjoy all the benefits that juicing can bring to your health and well-being. What I'm going to reveal to you will make you change your mind about some of the myths surrounding juicing. And will answer some of your questions, including, I'm new to juicing, what do I need to know? What is juicing and how can it help you? And where to find recipes to get started with juicing. Okay, so here is my juicing expert Anne to give you an introduction to juicing.
Juicing for beginners. If you've been thinking about juicing for some time, but are not sure where to start, you are in the right place. Hey there, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we will discuss juicing for beginners. Juicing can be an amazing way to get lots of fruit and vegetables into your diet. These improve your health and bring more nutrients into your diet. What is juicing and how can it help you? Juicing is the process of extracting juice from fruits and vegetables, separating out the pulp, fibers, or skins. The resulting liquid contains a concentrated amount of vitamins, minerals, as well as phytochemicals. Types of juicer. Besides a simple citrus squeezer that many use to juice orange and lemons, there are two main types of mechanical juicer: centrifugal and masticating. The differences between the different types are in how they extract juice from their produce, their efficiency in extracting nutrients, and their speed when it comes to grinding up the ingredients. Tips for buying a juicer. Look for a juicer with at least two different speeds, e.g. low speed and high speed, so that it's easier to juice leafy greens like wheatgrass and spinach without blowing up the motor when you push the wrong button. Consider what size will work best on your countertop. Some people prefer a small juicer if they have space restrictions, while others need something larger. How to make juice. There is a small amount of preparation to do. This includes cutting up the produce so that you can easily put it through the juicer blades without excessive force. You do not need to peel fruit and vegetables, but for this reason, it is a good idea to use organic produce. Vegetable juice. Vegetables are a great place to start because they're easy on the stomach. They have fiber, which can help with constipation, and lower cholesterol levels. Try mixing root vegetables, dark leafy greens, and citrus for your first juice recipe. Where to find recipes to get started with juicing. Some of the best places to find juicing recipes for beginners are online. There is a wealth of content dedicated exclusively to juicing, so it's easy to find what you're looking for and get inspired by new ideas. Common mistakes with juicing. You really only need a cheap juice extractor if you're just starting out with juicing, since your needs will change as you become more experienced in juicing. Another common mistake beginners make is that they just juice fruit. While these juices are delicious, they can be high in sugar. This sugar gets absorbed into the body very quickly and can cause poor health and weight gain. Mix in vegetables for a healthier juice. So, that just about wraps things up. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Now I'm going to put a link into the comments section for a thoroughly recommended resource for all things juicing with an emphasis on smoothies. Type in fithappyhealthier.com or click on the link below. If you like, feel free to put a comment below and tell me about your experiences with juicing and what you're hoping to learn. Always interested in hearing other people's views on juicing. You are also welcome to subscribe so that you never miss any of my videos on all things juicing. I'm going to be making a few more videos on the benefits of juicing, and in the next video I'm going to introduce you to juicing for blood health. It's one of the many benefits of juicing. So don't forget to subscribe to keep receiving my content and press the bell icon if you want to be notified straight away when I post a new video about juicing. Take it easy and I'll see you folks in the next video.